Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Today we are going to do a sketch of this V-shaped object. We'll talk a little bit about design intent and symmetry. We use a single variable to construct this object. The object has a uniform thickness as shown in the dimensioning. The object is fully constrained, as we can tell, because it has all black outlines. So without further ado, let's go ahead and create this. Well, first, let's notice that the object is symmetric, and we have a line going up the middle that actually is the right plane we're going to use as a line of symmetry. So this is our right plane. In the front view, you can see that that's going to go right at the center of this, and we're going to use a line of symmetry. I'm going to go ahead and get my line tool and start at the origin and draw a horizontal line, and draw a line at some angle, and draw a line horizontally, and a line back to the vertical axis that is the right plane. I'm going to do that just above the origin. I'll stop and click whenever I see a yellow dot and a yellow line above the origin. I'm going to escape from my line tool. And right now, we can see that I've got my line connected to that axis, and I've got a horizontal line there, so that line stays horizontal, and that line stays horizontal. Now, looking at our sketch, you can see that no angles are specified. We just have point-to-point measurements. So this point is a height, and then a width, which is symmetrical by the center. We have a height and a width here. So without further information, we can assume that these lines are parallel because we have no angular information to define anything else, because here's a starting point, and there's an ending point, and there's a starting point and an ending point, and if I don't, there's no width down here, so if I don't have that parallel, then I don't have enough information to define those. Alright, so with that said, let's go ahead and apply our symmetric features. So there's a mirror tool. We'll select the vertical axis as the mirror line. We'll identify the lines that I would like to mirror. I can do that individually, or I can just create a box. There we have it. Now that I have the object drawn, let's go ahead and get our dimension tool. And we've got a thickness is the dimension here. Remember, this is a variable we've already created. So if you can't find your variables, just use the pound sign or hashtag, shift to the number 3 to find that, or create a new one. So there's 3. The overall width is thickness times 4. So let's type in 4 times thickness. We got the overall height, thickness times 5. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, one last dimension to put in, which is from here to here at 1 times thickness. And you'll see everything turns black. And there we go. Good luck. Have fun. Keep being awesome.